Hello and welcome back to another market breakdown. Today we're going to go over XRP, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Those are the only three I really have my eyes on right now. Those three and a few other cryptos that I'm holding long term. But let's just dive right in. If you guys aren't following me on TradingView, make sure you go ahead and do that. Market_monster. Yesterday I posted. No, it was 2 days ago. XRP USD to break out of wedge formation. So I posted this analysis right here. We had a downward trend, a downward channel with a base for support here and a resistance here confluencing by this moving average. I won't go into detail about these exact digits of the moving averages that I use. After consolidating down here, we can expect to break above, have some resistance here, retest this trend line, and then break through to the upward to upwards of 37 cents. Let's see what happens since then. Okay, so it didn't go all the way through. It is, however, using this as resistance, which is a good sign that it's going to blow through. And I think after we hit this, we can expect another, a pullback of some sort before moving forward to, eventually into 50 cents and 58 cents. I'm going to hold XRP for a while, to be honest. Moving on to XRP. Huge news for moving on to Bitcoin. Sorry about that. What we're seeing here is the monthly closure of the candle, right? So we closed the monthly candle today, and here's a new candle being formed. A huge psychological level was 10,000. This candle right here, see if I could zoom in for you guys. This candle right here closed above 10,000. It was 10,062, which means that we are above the psychological level of 10,000. What we can expect to see next for Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin's gonna keep moving on up. We're seeing some consolidation right now, but I think the pullback is done. We've retested this trend line here, and we're forging forward. I would like to see these two moving averages cross over to the upside, and this blue moving average to act as support before we're fully in a bullish trend. Sorry, I'm just looking at these zones back here. Let's see if this trend line is broken. We can expect to see 8,700 being met. However, I don't think that's going to happen. It's holding pretty well. In order for the altcoin market to start booming, we need the Bitcoin dominance to go down. These two charts act in a reflection basically. So when Bitcoin dominance goes up, altcoins goes down, the altcoin value. And when altcoins go down, Bitcoin dominance goes up. So until we see that Bitcoin dominance decrease, we are waiting for the altcoin season to happen. Moving on to Litecoin. Litecoin, we are currently at, what are we at? 97. That's right around the resistance level. So again, just highlighting this key zone right here. We use past resistance as new support, and what we can see is a zone that gets formed for us right there. Right about there. There's a zone, and what we need to see is a break above this zone, a retest, and then we could forge forward. I'm not too concerned about Litecoin. I personally don't hold any Litecoin. However, it's always good to take a look at, a broader perspective. Like, zoom out. All you got to do is just, instead of using the hourly and the 4-hour and stressing yourself about, penny moves, just take a step back and see where all the zones are. Another great zone for Litecoin is this zone right here, which I think we're overdue to testing. We rejected off of it. Now we're retesting this bottom zone. The moving averages have crossed on the monthly, which is huge. We're seeing upward momentum, and as that confluences, my confidence will go up in Litecoin. Finally, XRP. I think XRP is by far my favorite coin right now. We're set to blow. We are set to blow. We haven't tested these regions since right here, and once we break out, if we could just go to the daily here, just to simplify things, because I can talk about moving averages and things like that all day, but if we just, the best thing to do again is just to zoom out. Let's zoom out and see what we have here. Too many lines, but alright, let's just focus on the basics. So right here we have XRP at 31 cents. We basically need to break out of a zone. Right, where's this zone? Okay. This zone right here. So as long as we're in this zone, we're just going to keep consolidating. Once we break out, we can actually even move this down to make it tidier. But once we break out of this zone, anytime we're in the zone, we mess around and then boom, explode up. And then touch back, consolidate for a few days, boom. And then this is the weekly, of course. So this is, 14 days of consolidation here before it moves up. This is a few months of consolidation before it moves up. And again and again. It doesn't make sense for XRP to break this level. However, if it does break below the 30-cent region, I believe we can see 28 cents. We do have some wick action here around 27.8 to 28 cents. However, I do think XRP is set to blow. These are my long-term targets that I will not go into details about. I do think XRP could hit $3.81. Maybe this next bull run. We're seeing a lot of action in the market right now, and everybody is hyped because I think we're closer than we think to a bull run, and everybody's thirsty for it. So I really hope this can come into play for everyone, and everyone can make some nice profits. Right here we have XRP. I'm so eager to see this happen. I've been patient for years. It's nice to see that things are moving our way. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment below anything you'd like me to cover. And as always, have a good trade.